got to protect the peace. Filled with determination.
I'll bite you first. Prove that all this training hasn't been a waste of my time.
I will, Father.
Prepare yourself!
May my strength be a shield for all of us mortals! May my strength be a shield for all of us mortals!
What's the matter? Certainly you didn't defeat Zamasu and Goku Black with such meager power.
That's it!
Channel your willpower into an explosion of rage. Break past the very limits of your power.
Got it! I'm not God!
I'm a proud Saiyan warrior!
Final flash! Final flash! May my strength be a shield for all of us mortals!
Looks like I'm up next then.
After Gohan taught me, I never thought I'd have a chance to learn from the one who taught him.
I'd nearly forgotten that. Hard to picture Gohan as a martial arts instructor. This'll be a good chance to hone any demon-style techniques he taught you. Allow me to show you how to fight like a demon.
Here we go, everyone!
Over here!
May my strength be a shield.
Over here!
May my strength be a shield for all of us mortals! Final flash! May my strength be a shield for all of us mortals!
Okay, looks like it's my turn. You've gotten a lot stronger these past few years. Pretty amazing, Trunks. Makes sense that you're as strong as you are. I've been too busy studying while you've still been training.
I've still got a long way to go, though. This is a rare opportunity for me. Let loose your full power, please, Gohan.
You got it.
Here we go, everyone! I can feel it. Keep it coming, guys. Share your power with me. Thank you for training with me, everyone. You don't know how much this means to me. Puny mortals, your judgment is at hand!
Those mortals wield mysterious techniques. Ones that could threaten even gods such as ourselves.
Are you referring to that strange light back there that almost sealed you away?
Mortals are much more than just insignificant worms. If we're not careful, our dream of utopia is going to be ruined before it's even begun. Perhaps the time has come. Let us use the Potara to become one and crush these impotent mortals once and for all.
Wait, let's not be hasty. What's this?
A Potara, eh?
But still, I suppose it just proves that we've...
And even fused, they're nothing more than mortals. Try as they might, they cannot possibly defeat gods.
Oh, what's the matter? Your divine power's not looking so wondrous now.
Wretched mortal. Know your... What? You've even appropriated a tool only meant to be used by the gods. How many taboos must you fools break before you're satisfied?
Now come and give me your best shot. I'm tired of listening to you preach.
What?
Get serious.
Your retribution!
Over here.
Could Here I come! You fool be! What? Here I come!
Zamas, this is no time to hesitate. Let us fuse and finish this once and for all.
I'll join in on the fight too. Come on!
Retribution! Here I come! Here I come! Taste my blade!
Magnificent. The body of a Saiyan is the ultimate in divine. Turn anger into power. Huh. The gods sink in! On me!
My limitless wrath makes me the strongest being in the...
Turn anger into power. Huh. The gods sink in! On me!
My limitless wrath makes me the strongest being in the universe.
Turn anger into power. Huh. The gods sink in! On me!
My limitless wrath makes me the strongest being in the universe.
Father? Goku?
It wore off?
It hasn't been an hour yet. bastard! You're...
Okay, let's do this thing! Okay, let's go! Take this! I need to get my act together. Nice up! I sure could learn something from you. And the way you fight! I'm not done yet. Yeah! I'm not done yet. I need to get my act together. I need to get my act together. I need to get my act together. Nice up! I sure could learn something from you. And the way you fight.
Too strong! We'll cover everyone!
No, Boo! You can't clobber these people! You gotta find a way to push them out of the ring to win!
I'm not done yet. Got a little something for you. This is everyone's power, the Spirit Bomb! I need to get my act together. Got a little something for you. This is everyone's power, the Spirit Bomb! Ah! IO 10 times 10! No! Times 20! You know, you really do have a remarkable talent for fighting, Boo. Wait, I know! Frieza! That...
At last, the arena is...
Whatever my late father's done to you and yours, it's not my problem to deal with.
Come now, let's get underway! My limitless love will guide me to victory!
The more intense the battle, the further my limits are pushed.
Let's do This'll be over quick. Check me out. This is Super Saiyan 3. Pretty cool, huh?
Our training resumes.
Die missile barrage! Die! It's time to finish you! It's time to finish you! Here it goes! Coming at ya! Here it goes! Die missile barrage!
Garlic gun!